Legendary investor Warren Buffett, who's worth an estimated $85 billion, once famously said that if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, then you will work until the day that you die. And nothing in life could be more true than that quote. You see, the way that most people go through their entire lives is they work for a paycheck. They go to work and they work an hour at their job, and then their boss turns around and pays them for that hour that they just worked. Now, if they want to get paid again, they gotta work again. They gotta work another hour. They gotta work another day, another week, another month. As soon as they stop working, they stop getting a paycheck. And that's a terrible way to go through life, because realistically, there's only so many hours in a day that we can work, which means there's only so much money that we can earn. Now, I knew I didn't want to work for a paycheck the rest of my life. So I wanted to find ways to start earning passive income, because with passive income, you do a little bit of work now, and then month after month after month, you continue to get paid for the work that you have already done. You do a little bit up front, and then for potentially years at a time, you keep getting a paycheck. Now, over the years, I've tried a lot of different methods to try to make some passive income, and a lot of them have worked, some better than others, but the key is to keep on trying until you find something that you like and find something that'll make you a decent amount of money. Back a little over a year ago, I filmed my first video ever, and it wasn't even for YouTube. I created 2 different classes that I intended to upload to different websites like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable. These were legitimate classes that people could go and purchase these classes and learn about a specific topic. Now, keep in mind at this point that I had never made a video in my entire life. I didn't have a fancy camera, I didn't have studio lights, I had never used video editing software before in my entire life. I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't even have a tripod for my camera, guys. I literally just propped up my cell phone against some books and made sure I stood in just the right spot so I would fit into frame. But I made my 2 courses, and it took me a grand total of about 12 hours in order to make these 2 courses, mostly just because I needed to figure out what I was doing with all this video editing software. So I uploaded these 2 courses to different websites, and about 3 days later, I got my first sale. And I was like, this is pretty cool. That first month, I think I made a grand total of about $150. And so I'm thinking to myself, well, okay, I worked 12 hours to make these 2 classes, and I made $150. All right, so that's, I don't know, 10, 15 bucks an hour that I made. But that's just for 1 month. Those videos stay on the internet. They keep on generating sales month after month after month. So January, I got a paycheck. February, got a paycheck. March, April, May, June, got a paycheck for work that I had done months in the past. And as I continued to make a couple of sales and positive reviews for these courses started to accumulate, I started to make even more sales. At this point, I'm averaging about $400 or $500 a month on those 2 classes. And remember, I made those courses over a year ago, and I keep getting paid month after month. So I made a little bit over $4,000 back in 2020, and in 2021, I'll probably make roughly the same amount. And then in 2022, once again, I'll probably make that same amount again. These videos are going to keep on generating revenue for the foreseeable future. And I don't have to put in any more work. I just set it up once, I made these videos, and I keep getting paid essentially forever. Now look, guys, I'm not trying to brag. I'm not trying to be like, hey, look at me, I made $4,000 just by making these 2 classes. The point I'm trying to get across is not to brag about myself. In fact, the exact opposite. I'm not special, guys. There is nothing special about me. I didn't have a fancy camera. I didn't know what I was doing with video editing software. I didn't have anything or know anything. The only thing that I really brought to the table was a will and a desire to get out of the rat race and start creating some passive income. I got off of my butt and I did something. So if somebody that's not special like myself with no prior knowledge or no skills can go out and do this, then so can you. That's the whole point of this, guys. You can do it. Every single one of you guys knows a particular skill that you can teach to someone else. Maybe you have some knowledge. Maybe you have something interesting to share. Whatever it is. Do you know how to play the piano or play the guitar? Maybe you could create some introductory teaching lessons to teach people the basic chords on the guitar and learn a few simple songs. Are you good at math? Maybe you can create a math tutoring course where you go through and explain a few different concepts, maybe how to, do the Pythagorean theorem or complete the square or whatever it is. Are you good at chess? Create some basic chess videos with different strategies and openings. Are you good at poker? Maybe you create a couple of different poker videos. I mean, there's all kinds of different videos that you can make with poker. You could talk about the hands, you could talk about the mathematics of when you should bet and when you should fold and how much you should bet, how to read your opponent. The sky's the limit. I mean, look guys, this guy right here, he made a video on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I didn't even know that people would be willing to pay for something like this because there's dozens of videos on YouTube that you could watch for free that teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. But look guys, this guy has almost 10,000 sales. But look guys, this is only for one particular website. I know for a fact that this guy has this exact same video uploaded to multiple different websites, and each one of those websites is generating profit for him. Now this particular website, he's selling his course for $95, but realistically this website is almost always having their products on sale. So you're almost never gonna actually sell a course for full price. Realistically, this $12 that's advertised is much more likely that people are going to actually pay. And after the website takes its cut, which is usually about 50%, that means the guy made $6 for every time somebody bought this course. So 10,000 sales of this class times $6, this dude made $60,000 on a video on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. And same thing guys, that's only for this one website on Udemy. What about all of the other websites that are essentially doing the same thing, like Skillshare and Teachable? He's making money on those websites as well. Now this guy has 40 different courses uploaded to Udemy, and he's sold a grand total of almost 250,000 classes, and that's just on this website alone, guys. This guy doesn't need to work another day in his life. The income that these 40 classes are generating on a monthly basis from all of the different websites combined is more than enough for this guy to live a very good, comfortable lifestyle. And the best part about all of this is this guy is not very special. And neither am I. I'm not special either. The only thing that's special about the two of us is that we got up off of the couch and we did something. We created something. So go ahead, guys, and take that leap. Browse these couple of different websites. Go to udemy.com, Teachable, Skillshare, and just look at some of their videos. All of the videos have introductory portions of the video that you can watch for free, and just kind of take a look and see what people are doing, the quality of work that they're doing, and what they're talking about. And the best part, guys, is that it really doesn't matter what you make a video about, because if it's something that's important to you, then chances are there's other people in the world that also find that particular topic important. I mean, who knows, maybe you're just good at playing fantasy football, and so you make a video talking about what kind of stuff that you're looking for when you're drafting your team, or how do you go about calculating your scenarios or whatever it is. I don't play fantasy football. I don't know what I'm talking about. But you get the point. Just find something that you're interested in and decently good at and make some videos about it. If you find that you like making videos, then great, keep doing it. If you don't like it, then stop. But don't just stop entirely, just stop making videos and start doing something else. The entire point is to keep trying things until you find something that you are good at and that you enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below. Give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and as always, I'll see you all again next time.